my friends, it's Ian again at Builders Online. In this short video, I want to address the challenge that some are having, mainly new members. They want to know where their affiliate links are. So right in the top menu, just here, once you've logged in, you will see this button here. You can see it's a drop down. So there are your promotional links. And when you click on these, there's another drop down. We've got many affiliate links. So we've got lots of splash pages. But these are your general ones. Your main home page. So if I clicked on that, you would see that that is mine. You see my little face on there and my name. You would see your name and a picture of whatever you have used for your branding. And this is your main programs page, so that's what mine looks like, discussing the team build and so on and so forth. So they're all there, and I know it seems strange that we've got, but there's that many, you see. I didn't want them on filling a page, okay? So now if we go back to the members home, and we click on to here again, you can see your promotional banners. So click on that, and that's where all the banners are. What we tried to do though is get you to build your own banners. You can do that by clicking up here, view your tool selection, and then you can make banners just here. So you can make all your own banners. I prefer to do that rather than promoting the same as what everybody else is doing. Excuse me for that. Customer login, just click on there. So we've got other things. You can view your downline. Oh, sorry, pre-written ad copies are there. So there's a list of them, okay, that you can use. And also when we click on here, you've got your downline. I'm not going to click on that because you see some details that I don't want you to see. Email your downline just there. We teach you how to love your downline. And the top referrers are just there. Okay, so that's it. So these are your main promotional links, and these are your promotional banners. So there we go. So thanks for listening, and bye for now.